Water.
Yes.
It's in the same encyclopedia.
Yeah.
Now, ice is the solid form of water.
Yes.
Falling water from a dam produces electricity.
Yes.
Mhm. How much water does a person take in over a lifetime? On the average, a person takes in approximately 16,000 gallons of water during his or her life.
Yes.
Now, if I took that times 7.5 billion, exactly how many gallons is that? I know you're saying that we can't use all that fresh water.
Yes.
Now, how much water does a person use every day?
Yes.
On average, each person in the United States uses more than 100 gallons of water a day in the home. Now, the single largest use of water is by industry 80 gallons of water to make paper for one Sunday newspaper, and about 20 gallons per pound of steel produced. Now, can we ever use up? Can water ever be used up? Water is used and reused over and over again.
Yes.
Every glass of water you drink contains molecules of water that have been used countless times before. So it doesn't look like it can be used up, but we have a global warming problem. Hmm. Well, I just wanted to know,
Yes.
water. Now there's electrolysis.
Yes.
There's flash distillation.
Yes, there is.
Yeah. Now flash vapor, incoming salt water,
Yes.
condensing, and then flash vapor 160 degrees Fahrenheit, and then condensing coil at 180 degrees Fahrenheit, and a little heater right here.
Yeah.
Now, even though its temperature is below 212 degrees Fahrenheit,
Yes.
um, handles great volume of water. Desalinating process as incoming seawater is heated and released into a low pressure chamber.
Yeah.
Mm. That's how they've been doing the desalination.
Yes.
Mm. Electrodialysis, based on the fact that when salt dissolves in water, it breaks up into negatively and positively charged ions. Now, these ions,
Yeah.
the water molecule,
Yes.
how come it sounds like a battery if one of them's positive and one of them's negative? Wait a second here. Oh, reverse osmosis.
Yes. Yes.
Uses membranes through which salt water is pumped under pressure. Each water passes through the membrane,
Yes.
leaving the salt behind. Oh, look at outgoing fresh water, brine.
Yes.
Fresh water.
Yes.
Incoming salt water goes to the member element, and then outgoing is the salt brine. Phew. Now, let me see here. West Virginia,
Yes.
West Indies,
Yes.
Welsh Springer Spaniel, welfare, well,
Yes.
water wells, oil and natural. Oh, look at a Welser. Now, let me see.
Yes.
These are weights and measures.
Yes.
Weights and measures. Oh, welding. Well, welding is a method of permanently joining two pieces of metal. Arc welding. Oh, the spark reaches temperatures above 6,000 degrees Fahrenheit. Oh my gosh. It's as if you were just to put this arc welder on a piece of metal,
Yes.
producing a temperature about 6,000 degrees Fahrenheit.
Yes.
Now, I know when you think about arc welding, you're thinking, no, it's just the weld itself. But there's no, what if you just put an arc welder on a piece of metal that had, a melting point of approximately 3,000 degrees Fahrenheit?
Yes.
And you just held it there. And you took it off before it started melting at 3,000 degrees Fahrenheit.
Yes.
And then you looked at what's known as desalination.
Right. Right. Right.
You dump some cold salt water on it.
Exactly. What would be the effect of that?